And then like loser has to, I don't know, do something for the stream. And then we can go do the bubble tea pizza challenge. That might actually, let me text. I don't know, what do you think? They're so interested in you guys because you're so pretty. Alright, baby. Let's go bowling. Joey, and I'm gonna add Remy in the thing. Hey guys, tomorrow is gonna be another rainy day. I was thinking up a concept, an indoor friendly game concept. It would be fun for all of us to do. I was thinking we could do a bowling competition. We can make a special point system, and the winner, no, sorry, the loser does something, and the loser will have to do something. What do you think? Woohoo! Let's go, let's go. You guys are lucky I'm not there. How come? Are you a good bowler? I'm a shit bowler. I'm a shitty bowler. That's why it'll be even funnier, because I don't know out of all of us who's actually a good bowler. Denitzo, hello, happy Sunday, how are you? So Shivnit, you're a bowler? Okay, good thing you're not there. Hi! Yeah, I'm DMing you, Joey. Because, I didn't DM, did I DM you? No, I didn't. Okay. I just opened your thing. Joey, why are you DMing me? I'm busy. I'm streaming. You're far from being a good bowler. It's all about the company and the drinks and the food. Exactly. That's why I figured like it might be fun if we could all go stream and do something like that together. Avoid the rain because it's crappy. And like, I don't know, off stream I'll come up with like a point system to make it fun for chat as well. Oh. Oh my goodness. What does average of 162 mean, David? What's rude? Me texting Joey? I'm so confused. Can we spam some love in chat for Joey? He's a bit sick. So, you know, spam him some good vibes. Yay! But what does 162 mean, like, David? Because I don't know the point system. Like, what's the highest score you can get in bowling? 162. That's pretty good. I don't know what my average is. 70? 80? That sounds about right. Okay, friends, let's go. This rain is really not motivating me. All right, let's go, guys. Let's beat this rain together. You scored 281s? Wow. You know what, Zorax? I need to watch that movie. I still haven't watched it. How terrible is that? Yeah, oh, how could I forget that, Trogi? No one will ever let me live that moment down. For those of you who weren't there for that stream, so one birthday, Gaspar and I went bowling for Gaspar's birthday, and we went on the VIP lane. It was so funny. I don't know what happened, but it was my turn. So Gaspar was holding the stream. I was getting ready. And you know when you hold the ball and then you pull your hand back and then you roll the ball down the lane. So I pulled my hand back and suddenly the ball went flying out of my hand. Almost hit Gaspar in the face. You can see that the stream camera went like this. And then it ricocheted and went into the other alley, bowling alley, but it crashed into, you know, that thing that spits the bowling ball back out, and it broke that thing in the other lane. Yeah, that was really embarrassing. I almost killed Chat and my boyfriend. Yeah, oops. I'm not clumsy. I'm not clumsy. I swear. Yeah, it's a pretty famous clip. It's actually, part of that clip was added into our Project Coconut trailer reveal thing. Yeah, that's basically what happened, Nemo. Oopsies. No, it ended up being fine. It just kind of broke off the front protection thing kind of fell off. It was alright. There's no worries. Didn't I win? I feel like I did, didn't I? Oh my god. I think you're right, Roundy. I think I did win that game. It was back when I was still having a lucky streak in bowling and winning bowling games. Ugh, it's so wet. It's ridiculous. Ugh. My earrings, thank you.